Hello dear student, today we will do exercise 4.3 of practical geometry of 8th class. Let's start. We have to construct quadrilateral more. Here we are given m of 6 cm. For it, first draw a rough sketch like that. M O as angle O is given 105, m of 6 cm, OR 4.5 cm, and also angle R is 105. Angle M is 60. This is E point. Now this is a rough sketch of more. M of 6 cm, OR 4.5 cm, angle M 60, O15. We have given two sides and three angles. Now how to construct? It's very easy. You can follow this rough sketch and make. Now let's start. Take your scales. MO given 6 cm. This is 0.0 on your scale. 0 and this is 6. Join MO MO. Six centimeter. Now we have to construct angle M60 O105. You can make it both using compass and protractor. Now let's start it. Using compass, put your tip of compass, draw the arc like that. Now first it's 60. Now join M. To this point, this is carefully. This is point for 60 and this M. Join this. I am using a sketch pen for better visibility. You have to use pencil. Now at point O, using compass, draw this arc. We have to construct angle of 105. We know that first this is for 60 and second it's for 120. Now we have to take arc for 90, so bisecting it, this is for 90. We only need point on arc like that. This is point of 90. Now this is for 90 and this is 120. Half of it, bisection of it will give you angle 105. Let's bisect it carefully. And this is half, and this the point of intersection of this arc is 105. Join to O. This is 105 angles. Now you can label it. It's a 60 degree angle M, and this is 105 degree. We are given OR 4.5 centimeter. So we will measure it on scale. Take your compass, put your tip of compass and measure 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Like that. Intersect, putting the tip of compass, intersect this green line segment here. Let's increase it. The point of intersection, this is known our R point. R. And it's 4.5 centimeter. Now you can see at point R we have to make angle 105 again. And again, following the same process as we have done at O, the arc, put in the compass point at R, and this is a first for 60, second for 120, and a bisection of these two give you 90. We have to find point 190 at line. This arc carefully. I am using sketch pen, you have to use only pencil. The point, this is for 90, and point 90 and 120 bisection will give you 105. Carefully bisecting this. This is for 105. Now using scale, join point of intersection to point R. Point to point you have to pass carefully. Good. Now we have to join line segment passing through R. This is our angle 105. Now increase line segment passing through M, so it can intersect black line like that. This point is our E point. Label it E. This is our required quadrilaterals. What have we done? MO 6 centimeter, angle 105, OR 4.5 centimeter, angle R is 105. MO, angle M 60 degree, MO 6 centimeter. What we have done, then we draw angle O and intersect OR at point R, taking 4.5 centimeter. If you have problems using a compass, you can have another way. You can draw a line on a rough side like that. Zero to 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter OR. Now you can use your compass and measure this like that, and then cut like that. Both way you can follow, directly using compass or by using scale. This is our quadrilaterals more. This is our quadrilateral where we have constructed it using the rough sketch more. Now you can construct it also with the help of protractor. Now I will tell you how this angle can be drawn using protractor. Let's see. Following the same procedure, let's have first draw line segment MO 6 centimeter. This is 0, this is 6 centimeter. Carefully now label it. MO 6 centimeter. This is point M. Now using protractor, what you have to do, put your protractor carefully so that protractor line coincide with MO. And this point coincide with M. This point must be at OM, and protractor line must be coincide with the line segment MO, like that. You can see this line is coincide with MO. Be careful. When we draw left side, we will take anti-clockwise scale. Anti-clockwise like that. 0, 10, 20. You can see now M is coincide with the protractor, and see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Because we have to draw 60 angle at point M. This point present angle 60. Now join it. Like that. Good. Now you can label it by using compass. This is an arc, and angle M is of 60 degree. Now we have to draw angle 105 at point O. Using the same procedure, the point O must be coincide with the point of intersections, and the protractor line must be coincide with OM line segment. You can see. Be carefully. As I told you, when we draw left side, we take scales anti-clockwise, but now we are making right side at point O. You will have to take clockwise direction, because your arc will follow clockwise direction. Now see on protractor 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, and this is 110. That means we have to take midpoint between 100 and 110. That is 105. This point. 100 and 110 midpoint 105. Now join this point to point O, like that. Be carefully. Point to point, light must be passed. As we are given OR, first you can label it using compass. This angle is of 105. Angle O is 105. Now we are given our line segment OR 4.5 centimeter. Using on scale, taking your compass, you can measure OR 4.5 centimeter. This is 0. Open your compass like that. 4.5 centimeter. Putting the tip of compass at point O, intersect this red line like that. This point is our R point. OR is 4.5 centimeter. Write down 4.5 centimeter. Now you can see in our figure. Now we have to construct angle 105. You can rotate it like that. Your paper. Using the same process, using protractor at R point. Now put your compass at point R so that protractor line coincide with line segment RO and R point coincide with protractor point passing through 90 angle, like that. Now you can see that this RO line coincide with protractor lines. Now we have to make angle 105. We are again at the right side. What we have to do? We have to move along clockwise direction. When we are at left, we have follow anti-clockwise direction. But now we are at right side. We have to follow clockwise direction. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. In between 100 and 110, this point is 105. Now join this point to point R. Like that. Now we have to join line segment passing through M and line segment passing through R, increasing like that. This is our point E. Now you can label angle R. It's of 105. Our quadrilateral is ready now. Compare both rough sketch and main. Here we have constructed this quadrilateral with the help of compass. You can see that in construction we use compass and here we use protractor. Both are okay. Now our next question, we have to construct quadrilateral plan where we are given PL, LA, and 3 angles. Here again what we have to do, we have to construct in a rough sketch of plan. Make a rough sketch. This is P, L, L, A, and you can see PL 4 centimeter, LA 6.5 centimeter. You are given angle P of 90 degree and angle A 110, that is more than 90. This is 110. Join it. PLA, angle A is of 110, angle N of 85. You can see while drawing this quadrilaterals, we have to follow PL given, LA givens. So to construct this quadrilateral, it's easy and better to find out. We know 3 angles are given. This is our N, but L is not given. But we know that angle sum property of quadrilaterals, that sum of 4 angles of quadrilaterals 360. So we can easily find out angle N by subtracting the sum of these 3 angles from 360. Using angle sum property of quadrilaterals, angle L can be determined like that. Angle L 360 minus sum of these 3 angles 90, 85, 110 is equal to 360 minus sum of this angle 110 plus 90, 285. The sum of these 3 angles are 285. 190, 200, 285. 285. That is equal to, you can see, 575. That is angle L 75. Now we can easily draw our quadrilaterals because we are we have 2 sides and 3 angles. Following the rough sketch, this is 90, 75. Now you can easily draw your quadrilateral. Now let's start. Let's construct. Take your scale. You have PL 4 centimeter. This is 0 and this is 4 centimeter. Join it. Good. PL 4 centimeter. Now at point P we have to draw angle 90 and L 75. Here you can easily draw it with the help of protractor. You can see angle P 90, L 75. Now let's draw angle 90 at point P using protractor. Following the same procedure, protractor line must be coincide with line segment PL and point P coincide with the point of intersection of protractor. Carefully, you can see we are at left side, so we have to move anti-clockwise direction. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is 90 point. Straight to point P. Join it using your scale. Let's join this point to point P. Now we have to construct angle 75 at point L. Put your protractor so that protractor line must coincide with the line segment LP. Carefully, now we are at right side. So what we have to do, we have to move clockwise direction. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 1780 midpoint is 75. This point is give you angle 75. Now join this point to point L to draw a line segment LA. Join it like that. Good. You have given L is 6.5 centimeter. Increase little bit. Now taking your compass, putting on your scale, we have to measure LA line segment 6.5 centimeter, 0, and this is 6 and 6.5 centimeter. Now put tip of compass at point L and intersect a brown line to get line segment LA at 6.5 centimeter. This is our A point. Increase a little bit. Now we have to construct the angle 110 at point A using a protractor again. We put our protractor here so that protractor line must be coincide with the line segment LA, and we know that the right side we have to move along anti-clockwise directions. You can see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, 110. It's not visible to you. So let's move aside. Now you can see easily. You can rotate it. You can rotate your paper like that, and now you can see clearly the protractor line coincide with line segment AL. This is our scale. We have to move anti-clockwise direction, and this is our required point 110. Now join point A to this point carefully like that. And increasing line segment passing through point P so that it can cut it. Like that. Now quadrilateral is formed. This is our LA given 6.5 centimeter. Now you can label these angles A. This is angle L. Using compass or by hand you can. This is P. Rotating. P angle is of 90 degree. It's of 85 angle A is 75 and angle A is 110. We have given angle N 85. You can measure it using your protractor. This is of it's given 85. Using your protractor, you can easily measure it. It must be of 85 degree. You can see that protractor line coincide with the P and it's 85, which is given. This is our required quadrilaterals. You can compare both. PL 4 cm. These are 4 angles. What we did, we find out first angle L, so we can easily construct our quadrilaterals. PL 4 cm, angle L not given, so by using angle sum property we determined it, subtracting all sum of the angles, and we get angle L is 70. Hello dear student, next question we have to construct parallelogram here. Angle R is 85. As we know that parallelogram properties, opposite side of a parallelogram are equal and opposite angles are also equal. Now draw a rough sketch of parallelogram here. HE HE. Angle E, it's and we know that make a rough diagram of parallelogram HER. Label it HE, A, R. We are given HE 5 cm, EA 6 cm, angle R 85 degree. We know the property of parallelogram, it will also be 85, opposite angles are equals, and we know that at adjacent angles on parallelogram sides are supplementary. That means it's of 85, 95. Angle A will be also 95 because the adjacent angle of the parallelograms are supplementary. It's also 5 cm because we know that opposite side of a parallelograms are equal. It's also 6 cm. This is our rough sketch of parallelogram where now we will construct it. Let's start. First of all, using scale, draw HE. This is 0 and this is 5 cm. 5 cm line segment. Label it H E 5 cm. Now at H we can draw angle 95 and at E 85. We will use only protractor because we cannot draw this angle using compass. Also we know that angle, how we can determine angle H 180 minus 85 95 using a property of parallelograms, that adjacent angle of parallelograms are supplementary. So easily you can get 180 185 95. Now we have R. Taking protractor, putting it at point H, so that the line segment HG coincide with the protractor line. We are at left side, so what we have to move along anti-clockwise direction. Then this is 90 and this is 100. In between 90 and 100, this is 95. Now join S to this point. Like that. And we know, now label this angle using compass, is of 95 degree. Carefully, I am using sketch pen for better visibility. You will have to use only for pencil. Angle H is of 95. Now using protractor at point E, we will draw angle 85. Similarly, protractor line must be coincide with it. And at the right side we have to move clockwise direction. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. In between 80 and 90, this is our point 85. For angle 85. Join E to this point. Like that. Angle E 85. We have given EA 6 centimeter. So using a scale, we can measure 6 centimeter like that, and putting the tip of compass intersecting this pink line, we get our point A. This is our point A. E here you can write 85. Angle is of 85. And we measure 6 centimeter also. We can intersect here 6 centimeter to get point HR. Because we know that parallelogram property, opposite sides of parallelogram equals. Join both carefully like that. HEA this is HEA 6 centimeter. It is also 6 centimeter. Opposite side is 5 centimeter. It is also 5 centimeter. This angle A is 95. This is of 85. HEA. This is our R point, which is our required parallelogram. HEAR. So we can easily construct our parallelogram here with help of a protractor and using parallelogram property. Next question of exercise is we have to draw a rectangle OK, and we are given two sides 7 centimeter OK and K 5 centimeter. Here we have nothing, no angle, but we know the property of rectangles. In the rectangle, whose opposite sides are equal and all angles are of 90 degree. We have studied all this property in 3.4 exercise of mathematics of 8th class. So by using those property we can easily construct. We know that sides are given OK, AY. We know that property of rectangles OK, this is of KA 5 centimeter, OK 7 centimeter, opposite side are equal. It's also 7 centimeter and it's also 5 centimeter, and all angles of rectangle is of 90 degree. So now we all have, by following this rough sketch, you can easily construct a rectangle. Okay, let's start. First of all, following the quadrilateral rough sketch, we will draw using scale. Okay, it's of 7 centimeter. Labeling it. Okay, 7 centimeter. Now what we have to do, we have to make angle 90 degree at both point O and K. You can use both compass and protractor. Let's with compass draw first for 60, second for 120, and bisection of 60 and 120 will give you angle of 90. Now join point K to intersection point to get a quad line segment breadth of rectangles like that. Carefully. On left hand side again we will draw angle 90 degree moving anti-clockwise, right side clockwise. 60, 120, and intersection 120 and 60 will give you 90. Like that. Now AK given, it's of 5 centimeter. So measuring on scale, AK 5 centimeter. Putting at K, intersect green point, also it's, and joining both of them. Like that. This is our quadrilaterals rectangle. Okay. This is A, this is Y, and using property of rectangle, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree of angle. Also it's also will be 90 degree because all four angles of rectangles of 90 degree, and opposite sides are equals. AK given 5 centimeter, so that AY also 7 centimeter and OY also 5 centimeter. This is our rectangle. We constructed with the help of compass using property of rectangles. Now next question. Here I will tell you how to construct a rectangle. Same question with the help of protractor. Following the same process. Okay, draw okay. 7 centimeter. Okay, of 7 centimeter. Now using compass, putting protractor at point O. The line segment OA must be coincide with the protractor line. O point coincide. This is of 90. Join it. Following the same procedure, putting protractor at point K and line segment of protractor coincide with KO. This is also point O 90 degree. Join it. So using protractor both side O and K we have the angle of 90 degree. Now same process following, measuring AK 5 centimeter on scale. Let's do like that. This is 5 centimeter, putting at A, intersect brown line 5 centimeter also from O to this, and now join it. Now this is our required rectangles. Label it A, Y, angle O, angle K. This is of 90 degree, this is also of 90 degree, A also of 90 degree, and Y also 90 degree. You can also measure these angles with the help of protractor and Y. Here we the 7 centimeter opposite side also 7 centimeter, K given 5 centimeter, so OY is also 5 centimeter. Property of rectangle. So there you can see, by using both compass and protractor you can construct it. Both are correct. It depends on you. It's up to you how you constructed it. It is all about our exercise 4.